Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create a Shadowsocks configuration and use it with Dark Tunnel VPN. Whether you're new to VPNs or looking to explore Shadowsocks, this tutorial will make the process simple and straightforward. So let's dive right in. The first step is to install Dark Tunnel VPN on your device. Open the Google Play Store and type Dark Tunnel in the search bar. Once you find the app in the search results, tap on it and click Install. The download and installation process should only take a few minutes. Once installed, launch the app, and you'll be greeted with the home screen of Dark Tunnel VPN. But before we proceed, let's create a Shadowsocks server if you don't already have one. To create a Shadowsocks server, follow these steps. 1. Open any browser on your device and type UDP Custom in the search bar. 2. From the search results, visit the official UDP Custom website. 3. On the homepage, look for the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, and click on it. 4. A list of menus will appear. Select SS Servers. 5. A list of different protocol servers will be displayed. Since we need a Shadowsocks server, click on that option. 6. Now choose a server location from the available options. Once you've selected your preferred location, click Create to finalize your selection. 7. On the next page, check the reCAPTCHA box and then click Generate to create your Shadowsocks server. This process only takes a few seconds. Once your server is created, you'll see the server details. Copy these details, as we'll need them for configuring Dark Tunnel VPN. Now that we have our Shadowsocks server details, let's set up Dark Tunnel VPN. 1. Go back to the Dark Tunnel VPN home screen. 2. Click on the 3 dots in the top corner to open the menu. 3. Select Tunnel Type from the submenu. 4. Choose Shadowsocks to begin the configuration process. #, entering Shadowsocks server details. Now, enter the Shadowsocks server details into the required fields, including server address, port, password. If you'd like to use additional protocols like TCP WebSocket or TLS, follow these steps. 1. Click on the 3 dots again. 2. Select Shadowsocks and navigate to Network Settings. 3. Here, you can enable TLS and add SNI details if needed. Once everything is set up, click the Connect button to start your Shadowsocks VPN connection. That's it. You are now ready to enjoy secure and private browsing with Shadowsocks on Dark Tunnel VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech guides and tips. For detailed tutorials, check out my blog and stay connected for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.